Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss regarding one of the most important website for the TCSers, which is being used inside the TCS, like all your business needs in a one platform. Usually if you are looking for a rent house or selling of a house, you will be using no broker website, and if you're going to buy any furniture, you'll be using some other websites like online shopping sites or something. And if you want to use any transport facilities, you will be opting carpooling apps. So if all these are found in one platform, that would be really great, right? So in this video you will know about that website. And I'll also tell you how to use that website and advantages of that website, and for what the website is used for. So we have marketing services only for TCSs in the TCS, that is called as Softmart. So the website is called as Softmart. In this website we can give classified ads for suppose if you want to sell or purchase rooms, vehicles, PGs, furniture, electronics, etc. You can give classified ads for selling, and if you want to purchase anything like vehicles, PGs, for room accommodation, electronics, etc., you can also check in this website, and you can also make that product as shortlisted, and you can contact to the person and you can buy it. So how to access this website? The path to access that website is, firstly you need to log into Ultimatics. Next, then go to applications. Under applications you will find an option called utility and enterprise information. Under that you can find marketplace, and under marketplace you have two options. I think one is eMart and other one is Softmart, but you have to go for the option Softmart. In that Softmart website, actually to log in this Softmart website we need to connect to TCS VPN. So in this Softmart website we have different type of categories like accommodation, carpooling, electronics, vehicle, household articles. Under accommodation you can get sharing rooms, rental rooms, PGs, and the person who, if anyone is willing to sell any room or any flat, they can also give a classified ads in that. So like if sharing is like in a room three sharing room is there, so in that only two people are staying and one bed is empty, like one person is required for them. So in that case that person will classify and add that we need required one more person for accommodation into their room. And if rental also, you can also try rental, and if you are looking for any PGs near to your office locations, you can also try for that. And next is carpooling. We have one way and two way. Like suppose for example I have a car and I'm traveling from my home to office. So in that way, if any of the TCS employees also traveling in the same way, so I will be adding the carpooling in the Softmart website under the carpooling category. And if anyone needed in the same direction, they can also book that, and they can travel in my car itself till the TCS office location. And for traveling they will be charged some amount. It's depending on the travel, it's depending on the distance from their home to office location. So it is only in one way, and it is also available in two-way direction also. And electronics, like TV, mobile phone, camera, computer, anything if you're searching for anything to buy, you can first if you are a TCSer, you can come to this website. You can go to this website and check it. And vehicles also available, like two-wheeler, four-wheeler, either you want to sell or you want to purchase, that is also available. And some household articles like fridge, washing machine, dining table, furniture, etc., everything is available. So that is the reason I said all business needs in one platform. That is only Softmart website. and you need to post ads to sell your product. If you want to sell, suppose if I want to sell my mobile phone, so I need to post ad regarding to that mobile phone, everything details regarding that mobile, and also I have to select the correct category, and I have to classify my ad under that category. Because if we classify an ad under the proper category na, then the person who is willing to take the product can come and check under that category, so it will be easy for them to understand. And also we have to submit our details along with the ad details, like our contact number or email id. And people, so if any people is interested na, they will be contacting you regarding that product. And if you want, you can also consider this option by comparing outside cost. Like suppose you are willing to buy some vehicle or anything, you can compare the cost of the Softmart website as well as the outside cost, like outside some other websites cost, and then only you can consider which is getting for lower price and which is having good quality and everything. You can check some details and then you can proceed it. So this is all about the Softmart website. So if you guys are having any doubts regarding this website and how to access this, anything related to this website, you can comment me in the comment section, or you can email me on to my email id. So I'll be helping you regarding each and every doubt, and I'll be clarifying all of your doubts. So and don't forget to share it with your friends, to your TCS friends who is working in TCS, and most of the TCSers don't know this website. So that's the reason I have making video on this Softmart website. So share it with the persons who are watching. Please share it with your TCS friends, it might be helpful for them. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching. Keep updated. Thank you.